Good evening to all. Again, the last part of math library class we are going to discuss today. Quickly we'll cover the MCQ, but this time we'll do some programs. So quickly try to finish the questions. Here is the first question for all of you. Before that, have a note of the points based on which you will create the methods or you will go for the MCQs. So here a definition is given over here. Now you have to identify which one it is talking about. It is talking about which method it is talking about. Now who can identify which method it is talking about? Mr. Prasad Sahu. Okay. It is talking about math.pow. Okay. Anyone else who can tell me the name of the method based on the definition? Yes. Right answer is pow. Swastik, pow, parenthesis is missing. It is a method. Tanisha, Badal, Swagat, everybody is having right answer. Yes, right answer. Fine. The next point, its return type is double and it takes two parameters. First one is base and second one is your exponent. These are the some of the basic things that we need to know before going for the MCQ. So the first question is in front of you. I said quickly give your answer so that we'll do some programs at the end. Quickly go for the MCQs. 2.0 to the power 4. Options are in front of you. Is it going to generate error? Is it 16.0, 16, none of the above? Option is B. Okay, so my question is that why not 16? 16 is also available in the option. Why not 16? Yes, got it. Why not 16? Surprise. Raja Lakshmi also giving the answer. Good. Because the return type is double. Fine, excellent. Because its return type is double, that's why it is 16.0. So option B is the right answer. Next point is in front of you. Next question. 2 to the power minus 1. Let me see how many of you can able to give the right answer. Good evening, Ayusman. 2 to the power minus 1. 23. 2e. Option E is 0.5. Yes, 0.5. 2e. Reason? Yes, got it. Quickly give me the reason. It is 2 to the power minus 1. But how I got in a fraction value? Why integral part is not available? 2 to the power 1 is 2. But 2 to the power minus 1 is why 0.5? Because math pow return type is double. Yes, I understood. But my question is that 2 to the power 1 is 2. Yes, perfectly Swagat Kumar Hutta. Yes. 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 1. That is 0.5. Yes, good. So this is the way that we should give the answer. 2 to the power minus 1, that implies 1 by 2 to the power 1. 1 by 2 to the power 1, that implies 1 by 2. That implies your 1 by 2, where 1 by 2 is your 0.5. Though it is in the form of double, that's why it is coming 0.5. Yes, psi is also given the answer 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Answer is 1 by 5. Sai Subhankar, 1 by 2. As the power of return is a double, so 0.5. Okay, good. We'll move to the next part. Minus 2 to the power 2. If it is, both will be negative. I'm coming to that one. I'm coming to that one if both will be negative. Power will work in the same way. Minus 2 to the power minus 2. That is minus 2 by 2 to the power 1 by 2. मैथमेटिकल प्रोसेस ही जाएगा वहां पे. स्वस्तिक, अगर पावर माइनस है तो 1 बाई होता है पॉजिटिव करने के लिए उसका पावर. मैकेनिज्म वही जाएगा. 3D 3D D 4.0. We have minus also, minus 4.0 also. Why not minus 4.0? Why not negative over here? Where the base is minus figure. So the result is why not minus? Because minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to plus 4. Good. Good explanation. Minus 2 into minus 2. That is your positive 2. Hope everyone can able to give the right answer for this. I hope this time everyone will give right answer with explanation. With explanation. 4 आंसर आ गया. 4 is D. 4 is D. अगेन आपका D आ रहा है -8.0 2 to the power 3. ओके, माइनस आ रहा है इस बार. I said with explanation. Just like last time, student were given minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Result is minus. Good. Now both negative. As per the request made by our Swastik Raut. Here is a question for all of you. Minus base minus power. Swastik, are you happy now? I said whatever question will come to your mind, slide will be prepared online. वहीं पे आपके लिए स्लाइड बन जाएगा, वहीं पे आपके लिए क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा. 5A minus 0.125. Can you explain how? Yes, excellent. 1 by minus 8.0. So result is minus. Fine, good. Swagat also said A. Okay. So can we call this is called minus 2 to the power minus 3. Minus 3. That implies 1 by 2 to the power minus 3. Can we say like this? Can we say like this? 2 to the power minus 3. Already given. So 1 by 2 to the power minus 8. That is 1 by minus 8. That is your 1 by minus 8. That is 1 is divided by minus 8. Now numerator is minus. In the last live class, we have seen that if numerator is minus, what will happen? If denominator is minus, what will happen? So I don't think I need more explanation on this. We did the task 1 divided by minus 8 in the last class. So hope everyone has understood the process and nicely explained by Swagat also. Excellent, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Next one, math dot power 10 to the power 1 by 2. 10 to the power 1 by 2. Now it is in the form of fraction. 6d, d 1.0. Good answer. With explanation is coming now. Good. Now explanation is given by Ayusma. Sir, can you repeat that? I was absent in the particular class. Okay बेटा 1 by minus 8. आप डिवाइड करो 1 को 8 के साथ, आपका पॉइंट आएगा. पॉइंट में आप क्या डालोगे? 10 डालोगे. 10 हो गया तो फिर क्या होगा? 8 8 कितने जा? 10 आ रहा है. 8 1 जा 8, रिमाइंडर 2 20, 8 2 जा 16, रिमाइंडर इज 4, देन 40, 8 4 जा, आ गया आपका. 1 को डिवाइड करो आप. इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ डोंट मिस द क्लासेस, इट विल टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम अगेन. 10 to the power 1 by 2, that is equal to 10 to the power 0 is equals to 1. Any number to the power 0, that is 1. Good. So take 1 by 2 is your 0.5. Good. 10 to the power 0.5. Excellent. Good. So everyone is giving explanation this time. Now go through this. Now tell me which method it is talking about. Name of the method. Name of the method. The method which returns the integral part of the fractional number based on the following. अच्छा, based on the following भी दे रहा हूं मैं आपके लिए. चलो, based on the following ट्राई करो अभी. Name of the method. रिटर्न टाइप भी दे रहा हूं आप. चलो, इतना ऑप्शन आ गया. एक आंसर आया है अभी. स्वस्तिक RINT बट पैरेंथेसिस इज मिसिंग. RINT. INT is wrong. RINT. Yes. RINT. Rounded integer. So the method name is rounded integer. I have changed the color over here. You have to remember these parts based on which you are going to give the MCQ answer. Now this time the difference between RINT and random. Here it is talking about same or below. There it was talking about below 5. It returns the same integer value, but above 5 will round up to the next integer value. Okay. Can we start the options? Okay. Because math RINT is wrong because asked only method name. Yes, RINT is only possible. Math.RINT 6.4. 6.4 rounded integer. We got answer B. B 6.0 because because is it because of below 5? The fractional part is below 5. Is it because the fractional part is below 5? I'm asking. Now this time 5. Okay, saying B. B is again 0. Excellent. Good observation of the slide because it is talking about 5 or below 5. 9B. Not sure. Why not sure? Because it was talking about 5 or below 5. Because of that reason. Next question is in the group. Now in the chat box, you have one more question. Return type excellent. One candidate has given a right answer called int. Its return type is integer, not double. Everyone is giving wrong answer. Swastik has given the right answer. Math round round. राउंड का रिटर्न टाइप इंटीजर है. 6.8. Quickly 6.8. D. D is your 7. Good. Now these are all brainstorming questions. Now you got the real question. These were only brain exercise. Good. Good, Sai. D 8 is greater than 5. Good. This one is the real question. Let me see how many of you can able to give right answer. 11D. D 5.0. Now B, we got one more error आएगा. B, who has given this? Ayushman is saying error. D स्वागत कुमार होता से A, compile time error. दो error का आंसर आ रहा है. एक स्वागत, एक आयुष्मान, और एक आ गया. Yes, आयुष्मान, I got your answer. मोनालिसा परिडा D. Swastik Raut said B. Now he is saying A. Okay. Now those who are saying error, can you give me the reason for the error, or I will explain. But here we are having two type of error. Because math.rint returns double and cannot store in float. Mine to A. As its return type is double of higher data type. Excellent. Because return type is double. Okay, fine. But we have two different errors. You have not explained regarding that. We have two different errors specified over here. Compile time error and runtime error. And cannot be stored in float. Fine. Because return type is rnt is double and cannot be stored in float. Yes, I got it. Error will come. but we have two errors. Cannot be converted to float and it will generate an error during compiling. Yes. One candidate has given compile time error. Ayusma. Waiting for other candidates. Diptimai. So it's compile time error because of type of lower data type. Yes. When a type conversion is done while storing the data, it is going to generate your compile time error, not runtime error. Good. While executing, it will try to convert. Then it is called runtime error. Yes, while converting, while storing, it is going to generate. Okay, next question is in front of you. Maths.rint minus 5.2. Now we have minus figure. Last time you people did mistake in minus. Careful in minus. 12 answer आ गया अभी भी. B 12B minus 5.0. सबका आंसर B आ रहा है. Good. Reason? Now this time it is negative, but still why we are getting 5.0 minus 5.0? Because it says that same or below 5, it will return the integral part, where integral part is your minus 5. That's why it will return minus 5. Though its return type is double, that's why its value is minus 5.0. Hope I'm clear to everyone. Already given the answer. Integer part of the parameter. Good. Fractional part is less than 0.5. Good explanation. This one 5.9 minus 5.9. Minus 5.9 with reason. 13C. C is minus 6.0. Everyone answer is C. साई शुभंकर भी कहां पे आ गया? Okay, wrongly typed. Okay, fine, got it. 13C. C. Rajalakshmi, only you have given one answer. After that, I have not received any answer from you, Rajalakshmi. Tanisha also. E minus 5.0. One answer I got E. Ruturaj, because integral part is more than 0.5. Yes, good. Because it is more than 0.5, it will round up in case of positive, but minus 6 is coming because minus 6 is having biggest value than minus 5 or lowest value. Lowest value. So it will come down. Reverse operation of your positive. Square root is there. Now with square root. D. Okay. What should be the parameter value? Okay. राजा लक्ष्मी सामंतराय ई. ऑप्शन ई कहां पे है? यहाँ पे राजा लक्ष्मी. राजा लक्ष्मी, आई एम अनेबल टू फाइंड आउट द ऑप्शन ई. What should be the parameter value to get 7.98? You are not getting my question. What should I change in the RINT part? What should I change in the RINT parameter part so that I will get 7.98? Did you got my question? 63. Anything that is 5 or below 5. Anything that is 5 or below 5. Now this is wrongly given. This is wrongly given. This is not the right answer, C, because 63.6 will make it 64 and square root of 64 is 8.0 because its return type is double. If you have perfectly understood all this is the conclusion question. B 15B, B is 2 3 4, 2 3 4 फ्लोर को छोड़ के B B B अच्छा B C स्वस्तिक से C 2 3 B आयुष्मान महापात्र not sure Ishan 15C I changed it sir C Ishan okay one answer is called D 2 and 4 2 and 4 RINT will not give आयुष्मान अभी हमने देखा था RINT 5.9 आयुष्मान से C Sasmita says C I changed it. Why you are changing? In examination you will get the time to change. Okay. Finally, final answer everyone. Final answer. You are changing time and again. Final answer. Final answer is B by Sai Subankar. Okay, rest of the candidate final answer. B Swagat Kumar Hota. C sure C Ayushman Mahapatra. Okay, let me see how much you are sure. Swastik. I think Swastik initiated this mechanism because of which few student has changed their answer to C. B C. Okay. The correct answer is your C only 2 and 3. Just few time before I asked a question that what is the return type of maths dot round. Its return type is integer. So that's why it will return 6. Now maths dot floor. What it will return? Maths dot floor will return 5 round down 5.0. Maths dot say round up to the nearest integer 6.0. Math RINT. Just now we have seen this one 5 above 5 it is talking about 5 or below 5 same integer. So obviously this is also going to give you 6.0. Everyone is answering good. Now it's time for the program. Write a program to accept a number and display the biggest and the smallest digit in the number using max method. So here is a for example, I have a number called 25918. So I will get the output like this. Biggest digit is 9 and smallest digit is 1. Are you ready with the logic? Or you will take time to think about it? Varsha said that I am ready. Sai also say I am ready. Ayusman, yes. If everyone is ready with the logic, we'll start now. So I need to write import because I need to accept the data. Import java dot util dot star. Basic parts I am writing. Scanner access is equal to new scanner system dot in. This part is over. Now system dot out dot print enter a number. This is basic except part is over. Now let's check about any pre-processing. Any pre-processing, I've already told you in the 10th class, after accept, you have to think about pre-processing part for the question. Accept is not over. Accept is not over. Excellent. int no is equal to ss dot next int. Good observation. Now accept is over. Good job. Next. Now I'll see about the pre-processing. Yes, got it. Accept part is over. Any pre-processing. If you don't have any idea, say no idea so that I will proceed. Big is equal to 0. Swastik says that big is equal to 0. How many of you are convinced with this? I want to find out the biggest value and the smallest value, both. Only big is equal to 0 is enough. int or is equal to no, comma big. Int big is equal to 0, small is equal to 9. Okay, big is equal to 0 and small is equal to 9. Subhasmita to counter for big and small. But few candidates are saying big is equal to 0 and small is equal to 9. Are you convinced with this? Are you all convinced with this? Int small is equal to 0. Aisman says that small is equal to 0. Big is equal to 10. Varsha, I cannot take big is equal to 10. The biggest digit is 9. 10 is a number. Big is equal to 0. Small is equal to 9. Good, Subhasmita. Big is equal to 0. Small is equal to 0. Sai. Sir, both counter will be 0. Om says both counter will be 0. Ayusman Mahapatra, num is equal to no, big is equal to 0, small is equal to 9. Okay, final. I will go with this. Big is equal to 0, small is equal to 9. The reason behind is that whatever digit I will get, suppose the number is 4518. Whatever digit I am getting, if I am checking it with this, obviously the first digit will be the biggest because initial value of big is 0. So when I am going to compare big with this digit. Obviously, the first digit will be the biggest one, whatever it may be. It may be 8, it may be 6, whatever it may be, this will be my the biggest digit. And I'm taking the smallest as the biggest digit. Reverse operation I'm applying, because whatever digit I'm going to get will be the first smallest digit for me. Everyone understood? Now after that I will extract the digits. So in order to extract the digit, what should I do? What is my next step? Now I will extract the digits. Okay, while doing the try run, I will explain it again. Ishan and O. While writing the code, I will do the try run, I will explain it again. Yes, Ishan, I will explain it. I will do the try run again. While part. Good. So I will say while number is greater than 0, I will apply the digit logic. I will say int d is equal to no modulus 10. I will get the digit. Once I will get the digit, it is not saying use if, it is saying max, apply the max on the mean to get the biggest digit. Yes, how will apply max now? Now the question especially highlighting that find the biggest and the smallest value using your max and mean. Rajalakshmi, this is the loop part. Inside the loop, I think you are comfortable with the mechanism inside the loop. Big answer and small have to be of double, sir. Why double? Big is equal to max dot max big comma d. Yes. Now I will compare the d and big. Whichever is the biggest one, I will store it. Good, excellent. So I will say that big is equal to max dot max between your d. D is my current digit. I can make it like this. If you can able to understand it quite easily. This is my current digit that I have extracted. Current digit with earlier biggest digit. Okay. Now for small, same operation. Yes. Yes, Aisman, rightly misunderstood. Mean. Now I will say small mean current digit with small. Okay, fine. Is it over? His loop part is over. Especially to Tanisha, Rajalakshmi, especially to Tanisha and Rajalakshmi. His loop part is over. Swastik, Sai Subankar, Ishan, his loop part is over. Swastik, reduce the number. No, sir. Dipti, no, sir. No, fine. We have to reduce the number. What should I do? What should I do to reduce the number? NO is equal to NO by 10. Good. So the next job is NO divide is equal to 10 to reduce the number. Fine. Now tell me, loop part is over. Swagat is there. Okay, good. So Rajesh, is loop part is over. Mona Lisa, I know is equal to NO by 10. Good. Loop part is over. Everyone is okay. Now who can tell me when I will come out of the loop? What is my statement? What is the next statement? Still two candidates has not given their thumb up. अभी भी दो कैंडिडेट का लाइक नहीं लगा है. Who has forgotten to give like? Printing statement. Good, Subhasmita. Printing statement. System.out.print. Print. Smallest digit user as small. Good, Ayushman. Complete answer. I am surprised Swagat has not given the answer yet. Display statement. Acha, given. Display statement. Good. SOP smallest value is equal to small. एक साथ दोनों को दिखाओ. Minimum value and maximum value. Okay. Now tell me program over. Program over. Can I run the program now? Or something is missing? Main close, class close. Already I have closed. Already I have closed over here. That's why I am showing you. That's why I am showing you. It's already closed. So let's run this. I am giving the number 56812. We got the biggest is 8, smallest is 1. Now next question is use. Now I just want to display the output like this. Number of 586912 is 9 and 1. I want the output like this. I want the output like this. Yes, I will do that dry run. First of all, I need the output like this. Yes, I will do the dry run. Don't worry, I will do the dry run. My question is that Ayushman Mahapatra, sir, of you written if. No need of if now. If condition is not required. Because Max will do the operation for you. Okay, fine. I will do it for you. Don't worry. My question is that I want the output like this. Sir, for this we have to take a backup of the number. Excellent. Good point observed by Ayushman. I need a backup now because once I will come out of the loop, I cannot display the number. So that's why I will say OR is equal to NO. Fine, I will come over here. I will say system.out.print and quotes. Here I will apply system.out.print quotes begin the biggest and the smallest number of. Here I will close the quotes. I will use plus. What should I use over here? Answer भी आ गया. Number OR is Dipti quite fast enough. The biggest and the smallest number size anchor of n. Of n. From where you got n? Acha, you might have taken the backup in n. Good. Tanisha also given the answer. So here I will use OR plus, again this is message is quotes close, then again plus, this is my big, again plus, again quotes begin, again quotes close, plus this is your small. Now let's run this. Now I am giving 5 6 1 8 3. I'm just copying this to make the dry run. The biggest and the smallest number of 5 6 8 3 1 is 8 and 1. Okay, let's do the dry run. I'm doing the dry run over here for all of you. I have a variable called no. I have a variable called big. I have a variable called small. I have a variable called or and current digit. Now no is this one. So here big is initially 0, small is initially 9, or is nothing but the same number, current digit we don't have. While number is greater than 0, it is true. I will come over here. The current digit is my 3. My current digit is 3. Now after this, I am checking math.max. Current digit is, look at over here, I am showing you current digit is 3 and biggest digit is your 0. That's why I said that take the biggest number in such a way that the first digit will be your biggest and first digit will be your smallest. पहले digit को मैं consider कर रहा हूँ biggest and smallest. I am applying the logic in such a way that the first digit, then is because the value of no will be 0. Okay, fine. I am taking the value of big and small in such a way that my first digit will act like a biggest and will act like a smallest also. So maximum out of 3 and 0 is 3. So that's why my big becomes 3. Understood big part? Everyone understood big part? Those who are having doubt, they can ask me so that I will do the dry run again quickly. Excellent, understood. Now those who was asking for dry run, I'm especially asking them. Did you understood? Okay. Rajalakshmi understood. Tanisha, yes, understood. Dipti, Ayusman, good. Okay, we'll move to the next part now. Small again. Now, in case of small, again I have taken the current digit is 3 and the smallest is 9. Now, out of 3 and 9, which one is the smallest? 3 is the smallest. So, that's why small becomes 3. I said that I have taken the number in such a way that first digit will be the smallest and the biggest both. Now, after that, n by 10. Now, what is n by 10? N by 10 will reduce the number to 5, 6, 1, 8. After that, number is greater than 0, true. What is my current digit now? Now current digit will be your 8. Current digit is 8. Now I will come over here. Current digit is 8. Now biggest digit is 3. Out of these two, 8 is the biggest one. So big will contain now 8. So that's why big will contain 8. I will come over here. Current digit is 8 and the smallest digit, earlier smallest digit was 3. Look at this, you can see earlier biggest and smallest both was 3. So out of these two, which one is the smallest? 3 is the smallest. So that's why no change in small. Understood? So do you need any further dry run? No dry run needed. Okay, no, fine. Not needed. Good. No. Okay, fine. That means rest part of the dry run you can able to do of your own. Sir, I have doubt why we cannot take big as 9 and small is 0. Okay, good question. Now let me take you. Big is 9, small is 0. Now whatever digit that I am going to get is never going to be bigger than 9, and whatever value that I am going to be get is never going to be smaller than 0. Understood, Ayushman? If I will take big as 9, so none of the digit in the number will be greater than 9. Suppose in this case I don't have 9, the biggest digit is 8 and the smallest digit is 1. Now when I will extract the digit, I will compare big and 9. So obviously biggest is 9, so it will ignore this one. I will compare 8 with 9, biggest is 9, it will not update. 1 with 9, biggest is 9, no change. 6 with 9, no change. 5 with 9, no change, so it will give you the output biggest is 9. Ayusman, understood? Same is applicable to 0. Same is applicable to 0. So that's why I am applying the reverse mechanism. In some cases, we have to apply the reverse mechanism. And here I am applying the reverse mechanism. Write a program to accept a number and check if the number is having even number of digits. So we have to check first of all even number of digits. Then split it into two parts, two equal parts. Otherwise display an error message. Equal parts. Otherwise display an error message. Okay. Now number is 259. It is displaying error message because it is not having even number of digits. It is having odd number of digits. Number of digits is 3. Okay. Next part, example 2597. Here we are having 4 digits. So that's why first part I got. Here the first part I got 25 because I am splitting from the middle of the number 25, and the last part is 97. Now if you have understood the question, give me your confirmation. Are you ready? Okay. Still few candidates are not ready. So let's wait for some time. Okay, they are ready also. Subhasmita is ready. Badal not got the confirmation. Badal, Barsha, the gamer 2018. May I know your name? The gamer 2018. Ruturaj, yes. Ready, sir. Good. Dipti, yes. Ayushman Mahapatra. But how to split cannot understand. But fine. 50% is understood. Ayushman, 50%. Aditya, got it. Yes, sir. Okay, fine. So let's move to the Java part. Now again, up to accepting a number is required. Fine. Now tell me the pre-processing part. Pre-processing part. Yes, sir, understood, but don't know how to split. Okay, that I will tell. जितना आप लोगों को आता है उतना बोलो. Monalisa Parida, yes. Counter, I need a counter. Okay. INT Counter is equal to 0. Yes. Anything else? Counter to check how many digits are there. Something is missing before the while loop. Oh, don't get hurry. काउंटर सब काउंटर बोल रहे हैं, कुछ और मिस तो नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, fine. Counter is 0. Over. Then yes, counter is over. Next. Pre-processing part is over. Next. Backup is required. Yes, good. Backup is required. Okay, backup is over. Next part. Store the original number. Swagat. Yes. Did it. Next. तो पहले एक साथ क्यों नहीं दिया आप लोगों ने? सर बैकअप एंड काउंटर. हाँ स्वागत. स्पेशली स्वागत ऋतुराज, साई शुभंकर, Subhasmita also. Huh? You also missed that one. After backup, while loop. Okay. So while number is greater than 0, int r for the remainder is equal to no modulo 10. Then I got the remainder. I will say counter plus plus. Then after that I will say no divide is equal to 10. Fine. Is it okay? If statement then Ayushman Mahapatra. Okay, let me get the confirmation from others. Okay, fine. Next job. If condition is required. Good. I will check even number of digits. If number of digits is equals to modulo 2 equals to 0, then it is even number of digits. I will do the operation of split. And in the else part, I will display the message. Fine. So split operation now. Ayushman Batra, if statement to check whether even number of digits are there or not. Now yes, if condition, if it is true, R modulo 10 is not required. Good observation here, R modulo 2 is not required. I have already told this particular statement so many times. That's why I was waiting for a longer period of time to ask, are you sure? I'm waiting for the other candidates. That's why I said R modulo 10 is not required because the digit is no more used over here. So that's why while counting, it is not required. Good. Now split operation. स्वागत, रिमाइंडर इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. इतना लेट आंसर आ रहा है स्वागत आपका. हाँ, एन मोडुलो 10 नॉट रिक्वायर्ड रिमाइंडर. इतना लेट आफ्टर गिविंग ए वार्निंग. ओके, हाउ टू स्प्लिट? How to split the number into equal parts? C by 2. Varsha says that C by 2. Okay, I am taking int part is equal to C by 2. Okay, I have divided it into two parts. If the number of digits is 4, I have split it into by 2. So that means I got 2 over here. Yes, excellent. Beautifully you are explaining. Good. Int is equal to C by 100. Why? No, not C by 100. C by 2. Because I want to split it into equal parts. Now suppose the number is having 4 digits. The logic lies over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number is having 2 digits. So that means I have to split it like this. Divided by 2. Now suppose the number of digits is 4. So 4 by 2 will give me 2. So that's why I will get 2 digits. Now suppose the number is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. So suppose the number is having 6 digits. Look at this. The number is having 6 digits. So number of digits is 6. By 2 we got 3. So that means I need to divide it in 3 digit part. Everyone understood why by 2? Rest of the candidate, those who have not given the answer, understood? Okay, understood. Now the next part is how to extract this part and how to extract this part. Now I got that I need to take 3 digits. So do I need to put while loop or any math library function I can use? I'm giving you a hint. Can I use any math library function for the shortcut? Otherwise, I will iterate for 3 times. I will use while loop to iterate 3 times to get 3 digits. Again, I will iterate for 3 times to get 3 digits. I will use while loop. Yes, Sai Suvankar says that POW function can be used. POW. Mona Lisa. May I know who is this Mona Lisa Manmei? I think first answer given by her, Mona Lisa. Power function should be used. Okay. Ishan, POW. POW function. Okay. Got it. How to use this POW function now? Okay, already got the answer. 10. Subhasmita says that POW 10 by 10 comma C by 2. Okay, already we have stored the number in C. So here I will say that. So this will give me the first part or second part. Okay, understood. 10 comma C by 2. Now this will give me the first part or the second part. What it will give? एक लाइव क्लास में आई थिंक ये किया गया था आपके लिए. Split number. It will give the first part. Wrong, Sai Suvankar. Sai Suvankar, wrong answer. Ayushman says second part. Wrong answer. Second Ayushman says first part. Second part. Wrong answer. This is not going to give me the first part or second part. It is 10 to the power. No first part, no second part. Everybody is wrong. No first part, no second part. Ruturaj said no part. Yes, that is the right answer. No part. Yes, Barsa rightly said that after that I need to use module operator. So here I will say that INTP power is PO is equal to math dot pow 10 to the power part. Now this will give me, if I here I got part is 2, 10 to the power 2 is your 100. 10 to the power 2 is equals to 100. Now if I am dividing a number by 10, I am getting the unit digit. If I am going to divide the number by 100, for the first part, no Monal. Monal, wrong answer. It is neither going to give you the first part nor the second part. Understand I am explaining? Understand I am explaining? If I am dividing a number, by 10, I am getting unit digit. Suppose the number we have taken 5 4s. This is the number. When I am dividing it by 10, what I am getting? I am getting the quotient part, these 3 digits. Is it clear? But when I am using the modulo operator, I am getting the unit digit. But if I will make it 100, I will get 2 digits. Now here I got part as 2. So 10 to the power 2 is 100. So that means I have to divide it by 100 to get first two digits. Now suppose C is 4, counter is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Now if the counter is 6 digits, by 2 it is 3. So that means 10 to the power 3 हो जाएगा. Automatically क्या होगा? 10 to the power 3. That is your 1000. If I am going to use 1000, it will extract 3 digits. So that's why math.pow is not going to give you first part or second part. Understood? Now after this, here I have to convert it into integer because pow return type is double and here I want to store it in integer form. Now after this I will say system dot out dot print ln. Directly can I use first? Okay, if someone may not understand, so that's why I'm saying first part is equal to number. आपका यहाँ पे नंबर 0 हो रहा है, so can I use number? That's why I'll use OR divided by PO. INT second part is equal to OR modulo PO. I will say first part plus FP second part plus SP. Yes, so int math.pow. Yes, it is required, obviously, because it's a pow function is 0, the return type is double. Now we have reached last part. Everyone understood? Can I execute now? Okay, let me execute it. Suppose I am saying 1, 2, 4, 5. Even number of digits. We got first part is 12, second part is 45. Okay. Now I am having a small question. अच्छा आगे आप लोगों का अभी मैं पूछने वाला था आप लोगों को. गुड स्वागत, गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन. दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड. लास्ट पार्ट वाज मिसिंग. अभी मैं पूछने वाला था आपको. यस. सो वी नीड एल्स. Why we need else? Because I'm executing it. If I'm going to give 125, no output is coming because else part is missing. It is odd number of digits. So else system.out.print odd number of digits cannot split. Now I can get the else part. Suppose I'm giving 256, odd number of digits cannot split. When I'm executing it, giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 number of digits. I think one space is given over here, extra space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got first part 125, second part 869. Now I'm executing it again. I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we got the first part 9856, second part 7815. Yeah, Ayusman, the variable of if part are local. Yes. So can we wind up now? Can we close now? So that's why I'm saying that the most benefit of your math library function will reduce the codes. Sir, I have a doubt. Okay, ask me, Ruturaj. Sir, I have a doubt. Yes. If we enter A, if we enter A alphabet, we have taken next int. I'm not getting your question. Ruturaj, if we enter A, what does it means? Yes, Aditya, what is your doubt? It will not take because display data type is int. ओके ये सिली क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है रुद्राज नेक्स्ट आंटी लिया हुआ है इसमें एरर विल बी प्रोड्यूस ओके यस हाँ यस सर व्हाई इट इज 10 to the power part okay because why I'm saying 10 already I have explained you Aditya just look at over here suppose my number is 45 or 458 so in order to get the unit digit I am dividing it by 10 I'm saying modulo 10 to get the unit digit 8 in order to get 58 what I will do I will apply 458 modulo 100 to get 58 this part understood yes Aditya this part you understood I'm using the modulo operator by 10 modulo 10 to get the unit digit but if I want to get two digits then I will use 100 now how many digits are there suppose the number is like this so how many digits are there four digits now I said 4 by 2 that is equal to two digits now 10 to the power 2 is equal to 100 now look at this I will get two digits unit two digits now suppose I am having now suppose the number is having six digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits so how many digits we have six digits now 6 by 2 is 3 so that means I need to make 10 to the power 3 to make it 1000 now why 1000 again look at over here I will modulo 1000 to get 458 now understood now everyone understood Ruturas don't go beyond the programming part because if you will say that if the user is entering special character what will happen because here we are concentrating on the logic of pow is not related to your integer and character so always I am saying that don't deviate from the topic so that everybody will get confused you will also get confused our emphasis is on whatever we have learned during these 2 days math functions how we can apply those math functions to reduce the code otherwise I would have used while loop अगर ये वाला ट्रिक मेरे पास नहीं होता तो मुझे while loop यूज करना पड़ता while loop मुझे कितनी बार इटरेट करना पड़ता three times to get three digits if it is 4 by 2 I will iterate two times I will use the loop two times to get the two digits so that was our aim is to learn how we can efficiently use the mathematical functions to reduce the code hope I'm clear to everyone Okay, fine, clear. Monal, understood you was asking something. Fine, everyone says understood. So it's time to say good night. Good night. Good night. Welcome, Ayushman. Welcome. Monal, understood. Badal, thank you. Thank you, sir. Welcome, Mona Lisa. Swagat, good night.